Hey, welcome to this week's edition of the Rugged Rundown, and we're going to get right into it this week. It's the Durabook R11 versus the Getac F110, and they're both rated as fully rugged. They both have an IP rating of 6.6. If you don't know what that means, check out my blog or watch my IP rating video that I made about that. Needless to say, you can spray water on this thing, direct spray. It's not going to affect it. It is dust and grime resistant, so you can have grimy hands when you're using both of these. They both have the same size screens. Now the Getac is a little deceiving because it has a black border around the screen right here, but it's still just an 11.6-inch screen, which for our purposes is the same as the Durabook here at 11.6. Now they measure this from corner diagonally to the other corner here. Now there are some nice additional features in this Durabook versus the F110. Number one, the Getac only has a USB port. Yeah, I said that. It only has a USB port. Of course, it has a SIM slot and that sort of thing. But the Durabook has a number of ports. It includes a USB-C, standard USB, and it has HDMI out, as well as your micro SD card, and it just has more ports. That's what I can say. Now, the other thing about it is the Durabook itself weighs in at 3.8 pounds. Whereas the Getac is slightly lighter at 3.3 pounds. Now I gotta say, I'm holding both of these and it's hard to feel that half a pound. Some other nice things about the Getac and the screen-wise is the Getac has a glossy screen, so it's nice and shiny. It's still daylight readable, still a great screen. The Durabook, on the other hand, is a matte finish, so we're not going to get a lot of fingerprints showing up on this screen because of the matte finish on this. It's still daylight readable, fully rugged, fully rugged. One other difference between the Durabook and the Getac has its programmable button right here, the P1 button, that you can make it, you can program it to open a program or do whatever you like. It also has its volume controls as buttons right here and a Windows button here. The Getac, I'm not seeing their programmable buttons anywhere on the unit, and there's no Microsoft button at all, but they do have the extra ports. I don't know if that's a plus or minus for you, but it's definitely something that we want to note and understand. They both have cameras here, and they even have reverse cameras. The Durabook has a flash right there. If we look at the Getac, it also has a rear camera with a flash, as well as the front. Now you can already tell, I don't know if you can see this, but you can already see my fingerprints all over this screen. That might get, always cleaning that screen when you're using it, might get old, I don't know. Whereas the Getac, I've been touching this screen this whole video and I don't have that problem. Basically, on a surface inspection, that's the differences on these two tablets. Let me know what you think in the comments. And at the moment, that's all I got for you. So like this video, subscribe to the channel. I'll see you guys next week.